Everyone, back again in my second video. In the previous video I explained about heatsink, and this time I will explain how to make cinematic video with Adobe Premiere Pro. Udah. Before going on the stage making cinematic video, I will Premiere Pro is the successor to the designing for Adobe Premiere and launched in 2003. Premiere Pro was released in 2003, while Premiere refaced to the previous release. Premiere was one of the first computer-based, that is, non-linear editing system, with the first release on Mac in 1991. And the function of Adobe Premiere Pro has the advantages in the process of cutting or giving the transition to a video or a short movie, film, and the other. So when we make a movie or short film, it's a very suitable to Pro. We can also give music to our video clips, and the cool thing is at Adobe Premiere Pro, we can give a touch or color and color grading, which is usually used by professional films to give cinematic coloring. In Adobe Premiere Pro, there are also tools if you want to do video editing. Adobe Premiere Pro is very important for us to know the function of Adobe Premiere Pro tool. It can be said that understanding Adobe Premiere Pro tools is the basic material that we need to know to do video editing. Okay, maybe just step by step to making cinematic video.
Every week is fashion week for me. I just went to Barney, spent your whole year's salary. I never wore Yeezys, that's a fact. Every week is fashion week for me. Every week is fashion week for me.
Before making a cinematic video, you open the Adobe Premiere Pro application like this. Because here I have opened the application and have included the video, then I will explain a little how to make a cinematic video. Okay, just when you enter the video, then the editing process is left. If you want to edit, you really have to memorize the concept of what to make in the cinematic video. The first step is to create a limiting bar above and below it. You must click new item, let the title. Okay. And you make bar like this. This is for make bar above. Change the color black. Okay, and this the copy, drag to below. Like that. Oh, sorry. Change the color. Okay, copy and drag to below like this.
Is it close? And drag the title after that. Set. Nice. Then enter the music or background that you want, like this. Because here I have entered the background, then just stay right with your video, like this. Then and after that, input the effect that you want. Right here I just enter the zoom in or coarse zoom for this effect, like that. And I choose the default effect. Is maybe this is just a glimpse of my tutorial, like that. We try to play, like that. Like that. And maybe that's all I can explain in this video. You can criticize this video by commenting. You guys are don't tire. Thank you and